Seventh class integer first chapter is integers. Now we will discuss about what is an integer. Okay, while we going to the integer, do you know about the numbers? Okay, the number starts from in the previous class we have learned that the numbers are start from 1 2 3 4 and so on, like that. Okay, these numbers 1 2 3 4 and so on, these are the positive numbers. Okay, these are the positive numbers. This is also called as a natural numbers. Okay, the number starting from the 1 2 3 and so on, all the positive numbers are called as natural numbers from the starting number 1. Okay, these are called natural numbers. Okay, while we going to the next, if we add these natural numbers while counting to the from starting 0, if you write the numbers from starting 0 1 2 3 and so on, okay, these are called starting from 0 1 2 3 and so on, these numbers are called as whole numbers. Okay, the number starting from 0 and all the natural numbers is called as whole numbers. Okay, and these are the positive values. Okay, and the negative numbers, do you know, all of you know about the negative numbers, that is -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on. These are the negative numbers. Okay, so all the natural numbers and whole numbers and the negative numbers combined, this set of a combination, the whole natural numbers or whole numbers or negative numbers are called as integers. Okay, what are the integers? The negative values. That is, if you take okay, these are the negative values. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay, these are the negative numbers. Okay, these are the 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. These are the positive values, or it can be called as natural numbers also. So while we are including to this number 0, and this if we add this 0 to this one, it will be a whole numbers. So all the set of this combination is called as integers. What is that? The whole set of this numbers is called as integers. Okay, so how can we represent some integers on the number line? First of all, you have to learn about the topic of a number line. Okay, so what is the number line? This is a line which representing the numbers. Okay, this is a number line which can represent the values. Okay, I am 1. This is the number line, and we can represent the integers. What are the integers? The whole positive values and the negative values. Okay, 9 is an integer because it is a positive value. Okay, -6 is also an integer because it is also a integer because it is a negative number. Okay, so how can we represent the numbers? Let us take the number 9. How can we represent the number 9 here? This is the 9. Okay, from starting the 0 onwards, the number 9, and we can circle like that. And represent -6 on the number line. Where is the number 6? -6 here. Okay, where is the -6 here? 2 on to the left side of the number line. It will be here. This will be a minus 6. It can be represented minus 6 here. Okay. So among this, which is the biggest integer above the number line? What is the biggest number? 10 is the biggest number because it is a positive value. Okay. This is the biggest value in the number line. Okay. What is the smallest integer? 0 is the smallest integer. 0 is the smallest integer. No, because here it is a biggest integer and the smallest integer will become on this number line is minus 10. Okay, this minus 10 because this is the last for this diagram for this number line. I have drawn for this number line. This is the smallest integer, that is minus 10. Okay, so is 1 is bigger than minus 3? Is 1 is bigger than minus 3? Is it right? The 1 అనేది minus 3 కన్నా పెద్దదా కాదు? 1 is bigger because it is a positive value. If there is one positive and one negative, the positive value, whether it is the smallest number or biggest number, if there is a one positive value, one positive integer and one negative integer, okay, so if the positive value, the positive value will be the biggest number. Okay, so 1 is the biggest number while comparing to the minus 3. Minus 3 is a smallest integer. Okay, 1 is a biggest integer. And next, minus 6 is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Minus 6 is bigger than minus 3? Minus 6 is bigger than minus 3. Is it right? No. Why? Because in the negative terms, the smallest digit is the biggest value. In the negative values, in the positive term, the smallest number will become always small. While we turns to the negative terms, the 1 here see, let us see, this is the smallest integer. After that minus 5, after that minus 4, minus 3. So he told that minus 6 is bigger than the minus 3 he had asked. So minus 6 is not bigger than the minus 3. Okay, so minus here minus 3 is the biggest one, not minus 6 is the biggest one. When we comparing to the positive terms, 6 is greater than 3. Is it right? In positive values, positive integer 6 is the biggest number. Positive, in the positive values, say 6 is the biggest. In the negative term, while comparing minus 6 is smallest number while comparing to the minus 3. So you have to listen carefully. What is that? In the negative terms, the smallest number will be the biggest number. Okay, while we are going to in the negative terms, the biggest number will be the smallest number in the negative terms. While going to the positive terms, the smallest number will be a smallest number and the biggest number will becomes a biggest number. Okay, this now how can there is some numbers, that is 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5. How can we write the ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to bigger, small to bigger, small number to the big number. Okay, among that, okay, what is that here? 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and 5. So here I am marking the values 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5. Okay. So what is the smallest number here? What is the smallest number? Among these circles I have drawn it. Minus 5. So what is the smallest number here? Minus 5. Minus 5 is the smallest number. Okay. Next smallest number. What is the next smallest number? This is over. Next negative minus 2. Minus 2 is the smallest number. After that, after 2 completion, next smallest number is 0. What is the next smallest number? 0. After that, what is the smallest number? 4. After that, remaining 6. This is the ascending order for the. This is the ascending order for the above numbers. Okay. First of all, the biggest number for the integer is the smallest number. Okay. The biggest integer for this negative integer. Negative integer is the smallest integer. Okay. Not first of all you have to write minus 2 or 0 as the first smallest number among these numbers. So here the minus 5 is the smallest number because the minus has here say this is the smallest. After that minus 2. After that 0. 0 after 4. 4 after 6. These are the ascending order further. Okay. Now move on to the exercise 1. Okay. Exercise 1.1. What is given the first one? Some integers are marked on the number line. Okay. Which is the biggest and which is the smallest number? What is given the question? We have given a number line and marked as he had given a number line like this and he had marked these two numbers among this which is the biggest and which is the smallest number. Among that, what is the biggest number? Among these two numbers, what is the biggest number? 2. 2 is the biggest number. He had given that biggest number equal to 2. Smallest number equal to the minus value. What is the minus value here? Given that minus 3. Minus 3 is the smallest number and biggest number equal to 2. Okay. This is about the first one. Now write the integers between them. Now second one. What is given that? Write the integers between the points of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and the smallest number among them. In this, he had given some numbers. That is, first one minus 5 minus 10. Okay, 3 comma minus 2. Minus 8 minus 5. This is the third one. Okay, first one. Let us see. Minus 5 and minus 10. Write the integers between these numbers. Okay. While we are going to the take out the number line, starting these two are negative values. So I have taken the last number as 0. After that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. What is asked the question? Write the integers between the pairs. So we have to write out the between values from the minus 10 to minus 5. Write down the between values. What are the between values? Okay. What are the integers between? The integers between between minus 5 and minus 10 are, what are the numbers? What are the numbers, sir? Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. These are the numbers in between minus 5 and minus 10. So among these numbers, what is the smallest and what is the biggest number? What is the smallest number? We have learned what is the smallest number in the negative terms. The biggest number will be the smallest number, negative. So smallest number equal to minus 9. Okay. After that, biggest number. What is the biggest number? Biggest number is minus 6 here. Okay. This is about the second Roman, first one, and second Roman, third one. What are the numbers in between 3 and minus 2? 3 is a positive term and minus 2 is the negative term. Okay. So what are the numbers between? What are the numbers in between numbers? The integers between 3 and minus 2 are. What are the numbers? 3 and minus 2 are 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, these are the numbers in between 3 and minus 2. Okay, so what is the biggest number here? Sorry, smallest number. What is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number, minus 1 is the smallest number. Smallest number equal to minus 1 and the biggest number. Biggest number equal to, what is the biggest number here? 2. 2 is the biggest number. Now we go into the minus 8 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 8. What are the numbers in between? In between minus 8 to 5. The integers between minus 8 and 5 are, what are the numbers? Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the numbers in between minus 8 and 5. What is the smallest number? In the negative values, the highest value is the smallest number and the biggest number is 4. Smallest number. What is the smallest number? Smallest number equal to minus 7. Biggest number equal to 4. Okay. This is about the second Roman. Now move on to the third one. What is given that? Write the following integers in ascending order. We have learned in the previous ascending order. That is smallest number to the biggest number. We have to arrange it. Okay. So what is the third Roman? Given that ascending order. Okay, ascending order. What is the first one? Minus 5. 2, 1, 8. Sorry, minus 8. Okay, this is the first one. Second one. What is the second one given here? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5 and 2. This is the second one and the third one. What is the third one is given? Minus 10, minus 15 and minus 7. So we have to write down the ascending order. Ascending order is smallest to the biggest number. ascending order. Ascending order. What is the smallest number among this one? Among this one. So here -5, -8, 2 and 1. Okay. So the highest, the smallest number is -8. The smallest number is -8. After that -5. After that smallest number is 1. After that 2. This is the ascending order for the above numbers. So second one, ascending order. What is the ascending order here? What is the smallest number here? -5. After that -4. After that -3. After that 2. This is the ascending order for the above integers. Okay, and move on to the third one. Ascending order. What is the ascending order for? What is the smallest number? -15 is the smallest number. After that -10. After that -7. This is about the ascending order. Next, move on to the fourth Roman. That is descending order. Descending order is the biggest number to the smallest number. Next, fourth Roman is a descending order. It is the biggest number to the smallest number. What are the numbers given here? First one, -2, -3, -5. Okay. Second one, what is given that? -8, -2, -1. Next, third one. What is the third one here? 5, 8, and -2. Okay. So first one, descending order. What is the biggest number here? In all are negative integers. So in that negative integers, the smallest number will be the biggest number. So -2 is the biggest number. After that -3. After that -5. So he had given the question is in descending order only. No changes are occurred for this question. Now move on to the second one. Here, descending order. Descending order equal to, what are the descending order? The smallest, the biggest number is -1. After that, biggest number is -2. After that, biggest number is -8. Okay. This is the descending order for this sum, and move on to the next one. Descending order. What is the smallest? What is the biggest number here? Here positive values and one negative value. So we have to biggest number means first of all you have to check out the biggest number, positive value. Biggest positive value, biggest number. What is the biggest number here? 8 is the biggest number. After that 5 is the biggest, and then -2. This is about the descending order. Next one. What is given that? Fifth Roman. Represent 6, -4, 0 and 4 on a number line. We have to represent the numbers. Okay. So we are representing on a number line. Take out one number line here. What is the sum here? Fifth one. Fifth one answer is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are the numbers given here? 6, -4, 0 and 4. You have to represent these numbers. Okay. Where is the 6 on this number? On this number line? This is a plus 6. So it is. So we have to represent like that. Okay. After that, minus 4. Where is the minus 4 here? This is the minus 4. We have to represent like that. And the next number is 0. We have to represent like that. And the next number is 4. So this is a number line representation for the above numbers. Okay. Next, move on to the next one. What is given that? Find the missing integers on a number line given below. Okay, so we have to find out the missing numbers. What are the missing numbers? We have to write down. So what is the missing numbers? Well, we go to the smallest number or biggest number, anyone we have to. Next, after minus 9, it will turn to the minus 8, the biggest number. Next biggest number minus 7, this is minus 6. Next, minus 5 after minus 4, minus 4 after minus 3, minus 3 after minus 2, minus 2 after minus 1, minus 1 after 0. Okay, next 0 after 1, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, and one more dot here, that is 8 after 9. So this is the representation on the number line. Do you all of you know about the number line topic? We have learned. Okay. The next most important one in the topic is the last sum of this exercise, 7th one. What is given that the temperatures of 5 cities in India. In India, of 5 cities, the temperature on a particular day are shown in the number line. Okay, in that number line, on a particular day, on 5 cities, the degrees, how much degrees how much degrees centigrade, how much temperature is there? He had told like that. Okay, so. Okay, this is a number line given here. On that there is a temperature has been recorded for, that is here 5 cities in India has been given, but So I am taking another city like Delhi. Okay, here 5 cities in India has been given the temperatures. What are the temperatures has been given that? So write the for this number line he had given that. So he had asked some questions. What is the first question here? The temperatures of the cities marked down. Write the temperatures. The temperatures of 5 cities are. What are the 5 cities? Delhi. What is the Delhi temperature? Here -10. -10 after -9. Delhi is equal to -9 degrees centigrade. Okay. After that, what is the second city? Srinagar. Srinagar equal to what is the temperature here? Here it is a -9, -8, and it is a -7 degrees centigrade. After that, what is the third one? Simla. What is the Simla here? -5, -4, -3. So -3 degrees centigrade. Okay. After that, next city is Ooty. Ooty is given that is what is it given? 15 degrees centigrade. And Bangalore equal to what is that? 20 degrees centigrade. These are the temperatures for the 5 cities in India has been recorded on the number line. Okay, as shown in the figure. Okay, now second one. Which city has the highest temperature? Among these, which is the highest temperature? Bangalore has the highest temperature because it is a 20 degrees centigrade. So second one. What is the highest temperature? Bangalore. How much? 20 degrees centigrade. Okay. What is the third one here? Which city has the lowest temperature? Which city has lowest temperature? -9 degrees. That is Delhi. That is -9 degrees centigrade. Okay. Next, fourth one. What is your question? Which cities have temperatures less than 0 degrees? Which cities have the less than 0 degrees? Simla, Srinagar, and Delhi. Simla, Srinagar, and Delhi. Okay, these are the cities which are less than 0 degrees. Okay, next move on to the fifth one. Okay, that is name the cities with the temperatures more than 0 degrees. What are the remaining cities? That is Ooty and Bangalore. Ooty and Bangalore, which is more than 0 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is about the exercise 1.1. Okay, now move on to the next topic, that is operations of an integers. What are the operations? Do you learn in the previous classes? Operations. What are the operations? You have learned about the additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Okay, in the maths classes you have learned about additions, subtractions, divisions, and multiplications. Okay, these four are called operations. Okay, so for these operations we have find out the operations of an integer. So first of all, we will find addition of integers. Okay, what is the first topic? Addition of integers. So we are taking the integers and we have to do add the integers. How? Let us take some examples. 7 is an integer. Okay, and 3 is also an integer. Addition of integers means we have to add these two integers. That is 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is absolutely 10. Okay, so another one, 5 plus 2. What is the value of 5 plus 2? What is the value? It will become 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, next. Next one, 5 plus of minus 3. 5 is also integer. Minus 3 is also an integer. So, but for we are doing the addition of integers. So we have to put the plus and minus 3 is in the bracket. So do you we have to learn the operations. Okay. First of all, how can we learn the operations means? So if any two integers is multiplied, okay, plus into plus, there is a 4 operations that I have to learn. That is plus into plus. It will come plus positive, positive into positive, positive, and plus into negative. It will become negative. One positive one negative becomes a negative value. Okay. Two positive values will make a positive value. One negative one positive value makes a negative, and minus into positive equal to minus, minus into minus equal to positive. So see carefully, two positive values. If you multiply two positive values, it will become the product as a positive value. So if you multiply two negative values, the product will also come a positive value. Okay. If one negative and one positive value, or one positive or one negative will come, the product will come a negative value. So here let's see, here plus, here means it is a positive and here it is a negative. One positive, one negative means one positive, one negative means what will have to get? It will be a negative. So it will become 5 minus 3. What is the value of 5 minus 3? 2. Okay. So you have to learn these operations very importantly. Okay. Plus into plus means, sorry, positive into positive means positive. Okay. Positive into negative means negative. Or negative into positive means negative. Or negative into negative means negative. So you have learned carefully that two positives or two negatives will come the product as positive, and one negative and one positive values will come means it will be a product will be a negative value. Okay. Now move on some more examples. That is minus 2 plus of minus 3, minus 2 and minus plus minus 3. Okay. So minus 2 plus of minus, what is the value? Plus of minus means minus. Plus of minus means minus. So it will be becomes minus 2 and minus 3. So what I have told that minus means we have to add it. So we have to add 2 plus 3 5. So it will become 5. But this sign, what is the highest value? 3. 3 is the highest value. So the sign of the 3 is minus. So you have to put the minus here. Okay. Listen carefully. It is so important topic. So another one. Minus 2 or again minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 is an integer. 4 is also an integer. So minus 6 plus 4. 1 minus 1 negative. Sorry, 1 minus 1 positive. What will we have to do? We have to subtract it. So what is the highest value here? 6. 6 minus 4. So why we will take as a minus 1 negative, 1 positive means it will become a subtraction. Okay. So 1 positive, 1 negative means we have to subtract. The highest value is 6. The lowest value is 4. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. The highest value sign is minus. So it will become a minus 2 here. This is about the additions of an integers. You have to listen carefully. Okay. So this number line, how can we move on this number line? for these integers on the number line. Okay, I am taking one examples. Okay, let us see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. This is a number line I have taken. The smallest number I have taken as minus 5 and biggest number I have taken as 5. Okay, here given us some operations, that is 5 plus of minus 2. 5 plus of minus 2. So what we have to do, we have to move on. What is the value here? 5. From the 5 here. Okay. So once wait, I will say later this sum. So easily to find out the next sum, I want to say that 2 plus 3 operations. It is a positive value and it is also a positive value. What is the first value here? 2. So from this 2, you have to start from 2. After that, what is that? Plus 3. Plus means you have to forward. Okay, plus 3. So it will become, sir, it is plus 1, it is plus 2, it is plus 3. The total will become a, how much number? How many numbers will become? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, that is plus 3. So 2 plus 3, what is the value here? What is the value has been came? 5. 2 plus 3 is also a 5. So simply you can write it like this. The 3 numbers. That is, if you take it is as a 0. After that 1, 2, 3. Okay. So plus 3. You have to forward. You are forwarding like that. So you have to put out the arrow for the answer here. Okay. Next. Well, we are going to the next sum. That is 5 plus of minus 3. 5 plus of minus 3. So what we have to do? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So what is the first value here? 5. So you have to start from here onwards. Okay. What is the plus? You have to add plus of minus 3. Minus 3 means negative values. Negative values depends on the backward only, not to the forward. So you have to come backward. That is, it will be a 0. Minus, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So I have to come like this. Okay. This is a backward and this is the forward. Okay. So 5 minus plus or minus means minus. So minus 3. This is a minus 3. Okay. So it will becomes the value. Answer is 2. Okay. This is about the addition of integers on the number line. So we move to the exercise 2.